Welcome to Miami Flying Club, Ground Training Series. Today, Aircraft Systems. The Power Plan. There are 4 types of engine in use on modern airplane: reciprocating engine, turboprop engine, turbofan engine, and turbojet engine. General aviation airplane are powered by a horizontally opposed 4 or 6 cylinder, overhead valve, air-cooled, carbureted engine. Reciprocating engine. The pistons move back and forth within the cylinders. After star aircraft engine adjust for proper RPM and check for desired indication on the engine gauges. Reciprocating engine are relatively simple and inexpensive to operate. Most of the smaller general aviation airplanes are powered by 4-stroke cycle reciprocating engines that operate on the following principle. On the intake stroke, the piston is moving inward, the intake valve is open, and the fuel-air mixture is pulled into the cylinder. On the compression stroke, the piston moves outward with both valves closed. The fuel-air mixture is compressed. Near the top of compression stroke, the spark plugs ignite the mixture and it begins to burn. On the power stroke, the burning and expanding gases force the piston inward, doing work. Near the end of the power stroke, the exhaust valve opens, the burned gases can begin to leave the cylinder. On the exhaust S stroke, the piston moves outward and forces the burned gases out of the cylinder. Ignition and electrical system. Magnetos. A magneto is a self-contained source of electrical energy, so even if an aircraft loses total electric power, the engine will continue to run. Dual ignition. Provides a safety factor in case one system should fail, but more importantly, having 2 spark plugs in each cylinder provide better combustion and improved engine performance. The ignition system in an aircraft engines is entirely separate from the aircraft electrical system. The engine can operate normally with the electrical system turned off. The only time the engine needs the electrical system is to turn the started. Electrical system. Electrical power is provided by a battery and alternator or generator. Most of aircraft use alternating current AC as their main source of electrical power. But because of ease of storing direct current DC electricity for starting the engine, almost all small airplanes use DC systems. When AC is needed for instruments, an inverter is used to change DC into AC. Alternator provides more electrical power at lower engine RPM than a generator. If you experience an in-flight electrical system failure, you have an avionics equipment failure. I hope I gave you some value information today that helps you. I would love to have you join the club, so thank you for watching today. Have a great day. Fly safe and fly smart.